Hi, welcome to the .NET Core series. In the previous video, I was create the product endpoint and also create the product model class and the product DTO and do some configuration for the product model and product DTO in the automapper. So in this video, I am going to implement the logger services. So just move uh, to the local implementation. I have to add try catch flag here. So to catch the exception, if any exception occur in the project during the running of program, I have to create the just remove the var. So okay, I have to just convert it to list to I list. Okay. I will add the explicit type casting here. So you can see that this is an enumerable. It is the interface, and it is this is the list. So that's why it was generating a error. So now I have add explicit typecasting here. So now I have to display the error message log dot error log, and I have to display the message here record not found. And display the name of the action method, which is the get products. So just put, sorry, it is the get method. So get is returning this. Oh, sorry, we are using async here, and I have not put the await method await keyword here. So just I have, after putting the await keyword, so the error is removed now. Now I have to add the logger here to show the exception method message if any occurs. So add parameter here. I have to just copy this and paste it here. So display the exception and change this content error performing, name of get, and performing get get product in get item get method. So I have add some validation local implementation here, and now I have to do this it here. So I have to just copy this and paste it here. So in this case I have to return the no record found. Just copy this and paste it here. No record found in the method get, and the id, which is the id which is coming from the top. So I have also put the I need also put the try catch here to catch the exception. I just have to remove this. Okay, okay. So I double tap and it will automatically generate the try block, try catch block. So I have to add exception as the parameter. So just I have to copy this exception code here and paste it here and just add the ID here. So error performing get product by ID in the method get, and this will return the ID. I have to add colon here to distinguish between the this ID and the upcoming ID. So I now I have to post implement the post, and if no record found, uh, I don't need to this name of the post method, and if product d2 is null, and then returning the previous provide product uh, info required. So in the post method I have to just return them this method. It yeah, needs some little bit changes here. Error performing uh, save save product in post in the method will be the post. Now I have to update the implement the logic in the update method. So here I have to do some changes here. So here because I have implement the logic here, the id less than equal to 0, then it will return the bad request. So I have to change the message here. So update id is invalid in the method, and just I have to take this from the get method. So I have just returned the method if id less than or equal to 0. So this method this message will be returned. So update id is invalid in the method. Method name is the put, and this will show the id. So and now I have to just copy this message here and paste it here. So record not found if product is equal to null. If a product equal to null, then it will return the no record found. So no, I have to put it, copy this and to put it here and just rename, replace it here. So the get method with the treat. So I have to also change the get to put. So in the previous video, I was just created the some root for some action method. So I have to remove that. Uh, so the logger information is implemented successfully. Now I have to test the API. So just run the project and see what the result is. Here is the swagger, and I have to hit just verify the get products. So let's see, it's returning nothing because no product is available in the database. So I have to just add one product here. Just go with this data and submit the post. Okay. Um, because I was just created the product model here and add it in the db context file. So this product table is not added in the database. So I have to just create the new migration. Just go to the package manager console and add new migration here. Add migration. Migration name will be the, I just see the previous migration names here and add product product table. Just hit press the enter button and see that build succeeded. So as you can see that it has created the add product migration, which has the up method and the down method. Up method is used to create the this product table in a database, and down method is used to remove the down method product from the table. So I have to update the database. Update. So I think some went wrong. Update. Now update started. Now when I just come here and let's try to run the project and try to submit the our first product. So hope this now product will be submitted successfully because table is created. So I have to just hit the add product here and just simple execute. Now you can see that product is added successfully in our database. So just call the get method and you will see that the this method is returning the product. So in this method we implemented the some migration and implement logger services. So our product endpoint is completed and it is working as expected. So here I have to add the catch. I forget to add it here. The catch block. Just copy this and add it here. So just name it error performing delete product in the delete method. So no need to return the status code here. So we have just successfully implemented the logging services and uh, try to add some data to database and then fetch data. So both process are working perform perfectly. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box.